how to create cash app account. Yes, and through that you will be getting some money from it. So I'll be showing you guys. So after you have downloaded the app, you just have to sign up. Okay, you can use your phone number or your email address. So this one I used my email address. Okay, so I have entered my email address, and then a OTP code has been sent to my email. So I'm now inside my email. So as you can see, I'll just copy my email, and then I will just paste it on the cash app. Okay, so let's go and paste this email on the cash app. So as you can see, after that you click on next for the next procedure. Okay, so let's wait it for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, confirm your country. So bear in mind, cash app is in US and United Kingdom, so I'll select US. If you're in any other country, make sure that you use VPN to change your IP. So as you can see, add a bank using your debit card. So here is whereby you link your bank through your debit card. Okay, so you just provide your debit card information there. So here, what's your name? So here you just write your first name, and then you also add your last name. After that you hit on continue. Okay, so choose a cash tag. So this place is very important. You have to make sure that you choose a tag which is not being in use. If you choose a tag and it's been in use, you'll be asked to change the the tag that you have used. So as you can see, um, what I selected is in used. It's not ready now, so I have to change it. And after I change it, everything was successful for me. Okay, as you can see, and then you just hit on continue. Okay, so please enter your zip code. So bear in mind we are using US, so zip code for US is I'm going to type it here. So 10001, and after that you hit on continue. So gradually we are creating our cash app. Okay, so invite friends and get $15. So this is the most important thing here, that we can all get it. So you just invite your friends to sign up on this app, and you will be getting $15 for free. Okay, so I'm just going to try it out. Just hit on share, continue, and you see invite friends and get $15. Okay, so as you can see, I have you can use the friend's email address and then telephone number. Bear in mind we have changed our ID IP, so we are going to use my friend's email address here. So I'll just enter my friend's email address, and after that I will send him the invitation. Okay, so cash app is better with cash. So as you can see, choose your star. So here you just choose your star. Okay, so you can order card here for free. So as you can see, after that, welcome to cash app, and very soon our cash app is now ready to be used. So as you can see, this is my profile. As you can see, my name is here, and then you can make so many changes here. You can edit your profile, you can add photo, and then here is invite friends. You can still invite more friends in order to get more money from this app. Okay, so you can also link your bank to it, so that you will be able to pay some people outside the country, and you can also receive money outside the country. So this is the easiest ways to get cash app. If you are in any part of the world, just make sure that you change your IP to US or UK. Okay, so as you can see here, these are the currencies that they use: USD, and then they use crypto to Bitcoin. You can use these two to make payment, and also can also receive payment through this. So guys, this is how you can make good use of cash app. See you in the next video. Bye bye.